Yung pagsubok din sa US, alam naman natin nag-down yung company yung economy sa US. Yung company na tinatrabuhan ng husband ko, nasa process sila in moving to another location. So I think meron silang mga loans from the bank. Tamang-tama yung Lehman Brothers, di ba?
Yes.
Down and also. So all the loans na gagamitin for the movement of the company, na-hold. So they're in the process of moving all this equipment. Talaga malalaki yung equipment. Maliit na lang yung kailangan nila. So wala na. And then my husband heard about it. So sabi ng husband, magkano yung kailangan niyo? So na-shock sila kasi you're only working here and then
kaya niyo pa
kasi yung husband ko masyadong din sa pera masyadong
matipid
sa pera. Oo. So that act of kindness na pinakita niya sa boss niya, that also opens our door for business.
Ayun.
So I just want this to be emphasized kasi talagang walang kindness na hindi mababayaran din. You know, parang na good karma ang nangyari sa amin. Oo. And then so at first yung sabi ng boss niya, okay, are you going back to the Philippines? You know, I have business for you. Nagpa-loan pa siya sa amin. Yung stocks, pinaloan niya. Oo. Just for us to help us. Oo. Parang tinulungan din kami. And then binabayaran namin once the product is sold. Pero ngayon, we have to get it na cash kasi you know, mahirap din sa US ngayon yung mga companies. So
ayun, ma'am. So medyo tungkol sa pera nabanggit niyo unang pagsubok. May mga na-encounter pa ba kayo na iba pang challenge?
Ang daming challenge.
Siguro one major pa.
Yun pong doing the business in the Philippines.
Yan, maganda yan.
Ang dami talaga. When I told them about the price, sabi nila, God, that's, you know, 1 sack of rice here.
Okay.
So, you know, yun na parang, okay. But I understand, when you bring all these medicines together, kung may health issues ka, you're spending like 5,000 or 6,000 a month for the medicines na sometimes it will not get you anywhere, di ba? Talagang may mga side effect nun. Hindi pa included yung mga hospitalization bills mo, di ba? So, ito kasi yung organic acai, talagang packed with nutrients na ang dami ng natulungan ng mga sakit na they're spending like 5,000, 6,000 a month to 2,000 na lang because of they're maintaining the battle na lang. So instead of parang ganon din. So yung focus ng